In a bustling city, Alex, a stressed-out office worker, decided to manage stress by taking up yoga. "Breathe in, breathe out," the instructor chanted. Alex, determined to excel, inhaled deeply, but instead of Zen, he let out a thunderous sneeze, sending yoga mats flying. "Bless you," someone chuckled. Embarrassed, Alex tried meditation next. Sitting cross-legged, he focused on inner peace, but his stomach growled louder than a lion's roar. "Guess it's lunchtime," he laughed. Finally, Alex found solace in painting, where splashes of color turned stress into art. "Art therapy it is," he declared. "Hit like, subscribe, and comment."